Maths chapter number 15, data handling. And this is fifth part of this chapter. So questions related to data. जो डेटा दिया हुआ है उसका आंसर देंगे. आंसर द क्वेश्चन, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. आंसर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज आंसर these questions according to given डेटा. मतलब अभी कुछ मैं डेटा लिखूंगा, फिर उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है उसको फिर हम लोग बनाएंगे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ. वन टू थ्री फोर फाइव. नेम ऑफ fruits and this side number of children. Okay, so this is question. This side mango, apple, orange, grapes. So this side I have written the name of fruits: mango, apple, orange and grapes. And this side number of children. Number, name, number and name. Okay, only number. 15, 9, 17, 8. So this is data. And first question is question number A. How many children like apple? Okay, like apple. How many children? Now next answer. What is answer? So according to this data you can see that question is how many children like apple. So how many children? 9. So what is answer? Correct answer will be 9 children. What is 9 children? Question number B. How many children like orange? So what is answer? To give the answer, once again we have to see in this given data. Question is how many children like orange? So how many children like orange? 17. So what is correct answer? Answer will be 17 children. 17. Okay. This side 2 question. Question number C is here. Question number C is which fruit like which fruit like most which fruit like most कौन सा फ्रूट सबसे ज्यादा पसंद किया जाता है बच्चों के द्वारा? तो व्हाट इज आंसर? सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी which fruit? ऑरेंज. व्हाट इज करेक्ट आंसर? सबसे ज्यादा बच्चे क्या खाते हैं? कितने बच्चे? 17. सो which fruit like most? So what is correct answer? Correct answer will be orange. So this is our answer. Okay, now come to the one more question. One more question is question number D. Question number D is which fruit like least? लिस्ट मतलब सबसे कम. विच फ्रूट लाइक लिस्ट मतलब सबसे कम फ्रूट कौन सा फ्रूट सबसे कम पसंद किया जाता है? ग्रेप्स. सो व्हाट इज करेक्ट आंसर? करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ग्रेप्स. GRAPES. ग्रेप्स. दिस इज आवर आंसर. विच फ्रूट लाइक मोस्ट? ऑरेंज. एंड विच फ्रूट लाइक लिस्ट? ग्रेप्स. ओके. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर E. हाउ many total number of fruits? How many total number of fruits? So to give this answer of question number E, how many total number of fruits, we have to add these all numbers. So 15 plus 9 plus 17 plus 8. What is correct answer? We have to add करना पड़ेगा. 15 plus 9 15, 24. 15 plus 9 24. 24 plus 17 41. 41 plus 8 49. So what is correct answer? Correct answer equal to 49. How many total number of fruits? 49 fruits. 49 answer. Total number of fruits is 49. 15 plus 9 plus 17 plus 8. 15 plus 9 24. 24 plus 17 41. 41 plus 8 49. So students, in first question we have learned how can we give the answer of given question according to this data. Now come to the next question. Question number 2. Give answer according to data. According to data. First I am going to draw data. Okay. Number of flowers and name of flowers. In first column I have written number of flowers, and the second column I have written name of flowers. Okay. Number is 5, 13, 29, 49, 37. Okay. And this side I have written lily, rose, lotus, lily, rose, jasmine, jasmine, and one more lotus, lily, marigold, marigold. Okay, so in first column I have written number 5, 13, 29, 49, 37. Second column I have written lily, rose, lotus, jasmine and marigold. Now come to the question number 1 according to this data. Question number 1 is, or question number A. Question number A is, how many how many how many rose flowers, rose flowers. Okay. Question number B. Question number B is, how many marigold flowers. Question number C. Question number C is, which flowers is in maximum number. Maximum, which flowers is maximum in number. Question number D. Which flowers is minimum in numbers. Minimum in numbers. So first I have written 4 questions. Question is, how many rose flowers? So according to this data you can see that how many rose flowers in number 13. So what is correct answer? Correct answer will be 13. This is our answer. Now come to the question number 2. How many marigold flowers? Marigold flowers 37. This is our answer, 37 flowers. Which flowers is maximum in numbers? Maximum means सबसे अधिक. कौन सा फूल जो है सबसे अधिक है? So what is correct answer? Correct answer will be marigold. Marigold. Question number D is, which flowers is minimum in number? कौन सा फूल जो है वो सबसे कम नंबर पे? What is correct answer? Correct answer will be lily. Lily. So this is our answer. Which flowers is minimum in number? Lily. And which flowers is maximum number? Marigold. Now come to the some other questions. Okay, this is our 4th question. Now come to the, I am going to write some more questions on the board. Question number E. What is the total number? What is the total? What is the total numbers of lotus and jasmine flower? Jasmine flowers. Okay, answer. So question is, what is the total number of lotus and jasmine flowers? So first we have to add number of lotus flower equal to what? 29. So 29 lotus, LOTUS, lotus plus jasmine. How many number of jasmine? 49 plus 49 jasmine. So what is total answer? 29 plus 49. 9 plus 9, 18. We will write 8, carry 1. 4 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. plus 1 carry 7, 78. What is correct answer? 78. 29 plus 49. Question number F. Question number F is, what is difference? What is difference? What is difference between? What is difference between lotus and rose flowers? Flowers in number. In numbers. Question is, what is difference between lotus and rose flowers in number? कितना दोनों में difference है? So what is the difference between lotus and rose? What is the number of lotus? 29. 29 minus, what is the number of rose? 13. 29 minus 13. So what is correct answer? 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So 16 answer. This is our answer. So question number E 78 answer. Total number of lotus and jasmine flowers equal to 78, and the difference between lotus and rose flowers equal to 16. 29 minus 13. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So what is correct answer? 16. So students, in this video we have learned how can we give the answer, how can we write the answer according to given data. Thank you.